Hello guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a customized speed settings to your videos on a CapCut PC. So here I've already add a clip and I want to adjust the speed, but I want to make it customized. So what you need to do is click on your clips in the track here, then go to the speed tab at the top right corner. Then here click on curve, then click on the customized, click on that, then you can just customize it. So just scroll down and customize it to your liking. You can just adjust it like this. If you want to make it fast, drag the circle to the top. If you want to make it slow, just drag it to the bottom. And if you want to add another point, just click on the plus icon here. Okay, and adjust it to your liking. Okay, I'm going to add another one in here. And here, if you want to make it a smooth slow-mo, you can just click on this box. But I'm going to see the result first. Okay, now it will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe to this channel, like, comment if you have any questions, and click on the thanks below. Bye.